Dear students, today we will discuss another important cell organelle of the plant cell, that is called plastid. Plastid जोटा तुम ओडिया रे पढ़ीच लबक. So plastid, it is the largest cytoplasmic membrane bounded cell organelle of plant cell. Largest cytoplasmic membrane bounded cell organelle of plant cell. So plastids is restricted to the plant cell only, not present in animal cell, not present in animal cell or bacteria, fungi, etc. Not present, but present in some protists. Present in protists called, example, euglena. euglena रे मध्य प्लास्टिड देखा जाए, क्लोरोप्लास्ट देखा जाए. So largest cytoplasmic membrane bounded cell organelle of plant cell is called plastid, not present in animal cell, bacteria, fungi, etc. It is first discovered by Haeckel. It is discovered by Haeckel in 1826. In 1826. Then types of plastid, कितने प्रकार of plastid according to function and reserve food materials, it is divided into two types of plastids, leucoplasts and chromoplasts. Leucoplasts and chromoplasts. Leucoplasts are colorless plastid, but chromoplast is colored plastids. Leucoplasts are colorless plastid. कोट देखा जाए leucoplasts, it does not expose to sunlight area. जो जगह रे sunlight area expose है न थाए, से जगह रे leucoplast देखा जाए. किन्तु chromoplasts expose to sunlight. Leucoplasts काम होची stores food materials such as starch, lipids, proteins, etc. But chromoplasts containing pigments and helps in photosynthesis and to color the plant parts such as flowers color, fruit color, एगुड़िक काम करते हैं क्रोमोप्लास्ट. So leucoplast is colorless plastid and chromoplast is colored plastid. It does not expose to sunlight. कोड देखा जाए हमार रूट देखा जाए, रूट आर नॉट एक्सपोज टू सनलाइट. तो रूट रे जो क्लोरोप्लास्ट देखे सॉरी प्लास्टिक देखा जाए ताको हम कहबा लिकोप्लास्ट. तो लिकोप्लास्ट रो मेन फंक्शन होची टू रिजर्व द फूड मटेरियल्स सच एज स्टार्च, lipids, proteins, etc. Chromoplasts are colored. काहे colored? ना due to containing different pigments, colored pigments. Colored pigments गुड़ी का chromoplast pigments, colored pigments हमें colored pigments are present. So these are colored plastid. And this the chromoplast containing parts of the plant are exposed to sunlight and it helps in photosynthesis. हमें chlorophyll pigment हम आपरे में तुम कहिबी जे chlorophyll pigment हमर photosynthesis रे काम करूची. तेनो photosynthesis करूची ता सहित हमर विभिन्न फूलर सब रंग, लाल रंग, हळदिया रंग, ए सब कलर जो होची टू अट्रैक्ट द इंसेक्ट्स फॉर पॉलिनेशन से गुड़ी करे काम करूची क्रोमोप्लास्ट. सो द क्रोमोप्लास्ट अगेन डिवाइडेड इनटू 3 कैटेगरी अकॉर्डिंग टू स्ट्रक्चर containing various pigments, according to containing various pigments. Chromoplast are again 3 types: chloroplast, pheoplast and rhodoplast. Chloroplast, pheoplast and rhodoplast. So chromoplast again 3 types according to containing different pigments. There is chloroplast, pheoplast and rhodoplast. Chloroplast is named due to containing pigment, green pigment, chlorophyll. Due to containing green pigment called chlorophyll. So chlorophyll pigment थिबा जोगो ताको हमें कहउचे chloroplast. That type of chromoplast is called chloroplast. So chlorophyll pigment present in which chromoplast, that is called chloroplasts. And different types of chlorophyll pigments such as chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, chlorophyll C, etc. Different types of chlorophyll pigments. These are present in which parts? That's in green color. Green color. Plant ro जो part रे chloroplast थाए ताको green color देखा. Due to presence of chlorophyll pigment, chlorophyll color is green color. पत्र रे थाए chlorophyll. इरा काम कौन? It helps in photosynthesis. क्लोरोफिल कामर पिगमेंट रो काम होची फोटोसिंथेसिस. फोटोसिंथेसिस काहे ना क्लोरोफिल पिगमेंट रो इट इज कैपेबल टू ऑब्जर्व द सनलाइट रो एनर्जी को ऑब्जर्व करिवार कैपेसिटी क्लोरोफिल पिगमेंट रे ही थाए. तो क्लोरोप्लास्ट इज हेल्प्स इन फोटोसिंथेटिक process. Then pheoplast is called, it is brown color. Due to presence of pigment, ficoxanthin and xanthophyll. Due to presence of xanthophyll and ficoxanthin pigment, these are the brown colored pigment, that chromoplast is called pheoplast. That is called pheoplast, and that present in some brown algae. Brown algae, diatoms, different algae. एगुड़ी करे ए फिओफाइस अर्थात ब्राउन पिगमेंट थाए तांकर क्रोमोप्लास्ट रे ता कोनती जैंथोफिल ब्राउन पिगमेंट फिको जैंथिन जैंथोफिल थिबा जो ब्राउन पिगमेंट थिबा जो से प्रकार क्रोमोप्लास्ट बा प्लास्टिक को हमें कहूचे फिओप्लास्ट. देन रोटोप्लास्ट. रोटो मीन्स लाल. सो लाल कलर रो पिगमेंट थाए जा कोनती फाइको erythrin. Phycoerythrin, it is red color pigment, red color, and pigment's name present in rotoplast is phycoerythrin, and it is present in red algae. Red algae रे এই phycoerythrin pigment थाए तेणु से लाल देखा जाए. এই प्रकार क्रोमोप्लास्ट को हमें कहबा रोडोप्लास्ट. कौन कहबा? रोटोप्लास्ट. Same wise, lycoplast again divided according to containing by storage food materials. Lycoplast again divided into three types. One is amyloplast. Amyloplast, it is storage starch. The lycoplast which storage starch, that is called amyloplast. Very very important pile मन रखिबो. Amyloplast means it is a lycoplast, colorless plastid that stores the starch. Example wheat, rice, एगुड़े जो स्टार्च थाए that is the lycoplast. That starch containing lycoplast is called amyloplast. Next is ellurinoplast. और ताको मध्य कहती प्रोटियोनोप्लास्ट और कहती प्रोटियोनोप्लास्ट. These lycoplasts storage protein. So when the lycoplasts storage protein, that lycoplast is called ellurinoplast or proteonoplast. And example, maize. I mean, जानिए maize raw. This is maize. This is embryo. This is cutlet, and this is a layer रे थाए कौन protein. थाए protein. मझिरे starch थाए. So this protein is a aileron layer. Aileron layer means the protein layer. So the lycoplast containing a protein, that is called ellurinoplast or proteonoplast. Then another is helioplast. That is helioplast. That is that stores fat. Example is castor seed, or those seeds from which we extract the oils, sunflower seeds, castor seeds, mustard seeds, all are the fat containing lycoplast, and that fat containing lycoplast is called helioplast. Protein containing lycoplast is ellurinoplast. Starch containing lycoplast is called amyloplast, ये तीन जाक इंपोर्टाट शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन पढ़ार संभावना अधिक एवं नीट रे मध्य पड़ी थाए जे स्टार्च कंटेनिंग लिकोप्लास्ट अमाइलोप्लास्ट प्रोटीन कंटेनिंग लिकोप्लास्ट एलोरोनोप्लास्ट एंड फैट कंटेनिंग लिकोप्लास्ट एलियोप्लास्ट. So leucoplasts are colorless. Those parts of the plant which avoid the sunlight exposure, that in that parts the leucoplasts are present. Their main function is to store the reserved food material as starch or as protein or as lipids, etc. Colored plastids are called chromoplasts. Then again it is divided into three types as soito chlorophyll pigment, फिकोजांथिन पिगमेंट, फाइकोरिथ्रिन पिगमेंट आता सहित आउरी केते गुडी पिगमेंट थाए जाको हमको carotenoid or pigment and phycocyanine pigment, all are the different pigments are also present in chromoplast, but main chromoplast is divided into three types: green pigment, brown pigment, red pigment. Green pigment is chlorophyll pigment, brown pigment is xanthophyll or ficoxanthin pigment, red pigment is phycoerythrin pigment. What is rhodoplast means the red pigment containing chromoplast is called rhodoplast, and that red pigment is called phycoerythrin. Brown pigment containing plastid is called pheoplast, and that brown pigment is called ficoxanthin or xanthophylls. If chlorophyll is a green pigment, that green pigment containing chromoplast is called chloroplasts. Besides these pigments, another different pigments are also present. Carotenoid pigments, orange color, carotene, orange color, and phycocyanine, blue-green color. All pigments are also present in plastid are included in chromoplast. But main differentiate into chromoplast is three types: chlorophyll pigment, chloroplast; ficoxanthin pigment containing pheoplast, brown color; and red pigment phycoerythrin present in chromoplast is called rhodoplast. Then we'll go to the most important. The most important plastid is color plastid is chloroplast. But because due to this pigment we get food to exist in earth, so chlorophyll pigment is most important. We'll discuss total structure of chloroplast or chlorophyll pigment containing plastid is called chloroplast. In next video we'll discuss the total structure of chloroplast. Okay, thank you.